Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. If you're already a subscriber, consider subscribing to this channel because better videos like this one are coming. If you have any concern about this video, kindly drop your comments under the comment section. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back once again. Okay, so today's question is, where does offline file save? So if you want to learn this method, just watch this video to the end because there will be important features you shouldn't have to miss. So without wasting much time, let's get right into this strategy right now. Okay, so let's first open our downloaded Netflix movie, which has actually saved at the offline of the Fairbox. So we can't actually see it in our gallery because it is not in our internal files. So you can see how offline movies right here. This one is Anaconda. So anytime I want to play this movie, I just have to open this app before I can watch the movie. So we'll be learning how to see hidden offline videos or files or even music. So let's open our file manager first to see whether we can see the Anaconda in our files or in our videos. So let's search for the Anaconda. Okay, so you can see it says no files because it's actually not in our files and it has saved in the Fairbox files. So that's how the audiomark also works. Anytime you download music from their app, it saves at their offline. So you can't actually see it in your music player. So we'll be learning how to make it available in our music player. So first, let's see any music I downloaded from their app. Demons and Angels. That is Juice WRLD song. Okay, so let me go back to my music player. I use music file. You can also use any type of music player you prefer. So let's search for the Demons and Angels. You can see this one also says no files because it's saved at the audiomark file. So we'll be learning how to make it available in our internal storage and make it available also in our music player. So let's open our file manager, but first we'll deal with the Fairbox first. So let's open our file manager. Okay, so just click on all files, click on phone storage, click on Android and click on data. Okay, so search for the Fairbox. Okay, so here's the Fairbox. Just click on it and click on offline and just click on streams. Okay, you can see the offline movies right here. So you can just copy it. Okay, so just click long, press it and copy it to your download. So let's click on phone storage and click on download. Okay, so just click on paste. So for doing this, it will make it available in your gallery so that you can send it or you can copy it to your SD card, you can copy it to your computer, or you can send it even to another phone. So let's wait while it's moving. Okay, so it says copied successfully. So let's go back to videos and okay, so let's see that. Let's search for the Anaconda. Okay, so you can see it's available right here. So that's how we do for videos. So you can also do it for Netflix. Just click on all files and search for the Netflix and go to offline and just move it to download. So we are about to do music, so just click on all files and click on Android and click on data and search for audiomark. Okay, so just click on streams and click on audiomark. Okay, so this question marks you see right here is your song you downloaded from the audiomark. You downloaded from the audiomark. So these numbers you see here is your music. Because it says that they are offline, that is why the name of the music changed. But when we do the trick right here, it will change to the music name. So just search for one and long press it. So let's say I like this one, this one. Okay, so long press it and click on the three dots and click on rename. So here is the trick. Just add points mp3. Okay, so after that just click on OK. So you can see it will change from file to mp3 music. Have you see the name just come? So just long press it and copy it to your download to make it available on your music player. Okay, so just click on the download and click on paste. Okay, so let's open our music player to see. You can see, boom, it's successfully copied here, and we can now see it in our music player. Okay, so that's how we do to all apps like audiomark. You can do it to Spotify and other stuff. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. If you find this video useful, kindly click on the like button. Thank you for watching.